Guys, Barbadine Mike back. Getting ready to watch day 3, the Myrtle Beach beach detecting. Still found a few more coins this time, but nothing special. But still, yet had a great time. Was really getting the hang of where to look. I found out, once you find a signal, if you'll grid around that signal, you usually pick up something else, or at least more signals, trash, what have you. But I did find that when I'd find a signal, I could go out straight parallel from it, and I think I found 2 or 3 other coins right there, just right in a line, just where that, I guess the water pulled them down to a certain point and they settle out. So can't wait to go back. Don't know when that'll be, but yeah, beach detection is definitely different, but it is fun. But anyhow, hope you enjoyed the 3-day videos, and here's day 3. Make sure and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and we appreciate you watching. So with that, here's day 3. All right, finally a signal this morning. Looks like a dime signal up here in the drive. Got it. Yep, I'm gonna shoot it out. Hope something looks good. Oh, there it is. Wasn't a dime. A quarter. Oh well. Okay. I'll take that. The beach is all sanded in. It's rough, so we're having to hunt to dry. I talk like I act like I know what I'm talking about, when really I don't. That's just what it appears to me. But anyhow, we'll catch you at the next one. Let's see what we got here. It's a 133. That's a 41. Oh, we got it. Something, there it is. A penny. A copper penny this time, I think. Alright. We got the beach groomer coming up. Let's get out of the way. We had no signal there, but I guess not. Alright. We'll catch it tonight. Right here's one. Right next to the other signal. Let's see what it is. That's right there. Let's see. I don't think we got it. Yep, well, a penny. Come out of that penny. Like another copper. Okay. No, that's a shield. It's a fresh drop. Shield penny. Alright. On the next. Here's another signal. 1243. Probably a copper penny. Let's see. beach comber just come over, so I imagine everything is getting deep. It's pinpointed, you can see. Here somewhere. Well, what do? Push it. Let's get the pinpoint away, say. Where'd you go? Well, looks like he's right here on top. I guess we'll keep digging. Says it's right here on top. Yep, there it is. It's a dime, I believe. Yep. Roosevelt dime. Okay. Can find something behind the beach comber. Alright, on next. Not that easy. Alright, let's try this one since it's close to the top. Try 31. There it is. Pink penny. Got him out of here before he got destroyed. Alright. Alright, here's the 1144. Pretty deep. So let's see. Thought that would have been a penny. I mean, it's a dime. It's a dime. Alrighty. Okay. We'll be close about wrapping it up here today. So, we may make a little bit more, a few more passes to see what we get, and we'll catch it wrap up. Alright, this is right beside it. Nickel signal, I believe. I seen it. Nope. Foiled in. Pull tab. Alright. Catching it with a short little wrap up here of today's coin find, or day 3's coin finds. Got the 4 zinc pennies, 2 dimes, and a quarter. Some of those rascals were pretty deep too. Not that easy to find, but beach detecting is definitely different. But we really enjoyed it. Can't wait to get back and try it again. Appreciate everybody watching the videos. Turn this thing around. There's the finds for the 3-day total. So we ended up with what, 2, 4, 5 quarters, 2, 3 dimes, a nickel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pennies. Maybe I counted that wrong. A little bit of bling, some fishing items, and that weird copper piece, whatever that is. Strange looking. Anyhow, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Make sure and click the subscribe button there and click on the little bell to get notifications, and we would definitely appreciate it. Good luck to everybody on their next hunts, and we'll catch you next time.